Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Naruto popsicles. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your chosen fruit juice, unflavored gelatin, and food coloring. We will combine these elements to form the base. Next, prepare your popsicle molds and sticks. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your homemade treats are both tasty and visually appealing. Get ready for a fun culinary adventure. To begin, you will need 2 cups of your favorite fruit juice, such as orange or mango, for the base flavor. Also, have 1 packet of unflavored gelatin on hand to help with the popsicle's texture. For coloring, gather red, yellow, and blue food dyes to achieve the iconic Naruto colors. Don't forget your popsicle molds and sticks, along with a saucepan and whisk for mixing. Start by gently heating 1/4 of a cup of your fruit juice in a saucepan, then whisk in the gelatin until it fully dissolves. Combine this with the remaining cold juice. Next, divide the entire mixture into 3 separate bowls. Add a few drops of red food coloring to one bowl, yellow to another, and blue to the third, stirring each thoroughly to achieve vibrant colors. Carefully pour the first colored layer into your popsicle molds, filling them about 1/3 of the way. Place the molds in the freezer for approximately 30 minutes to allow that layer to set slightly. Then, add the second color, freeze again, and finally, the third color. After about 30 minutes with the second layer, insert your popsicle sticks. Freeze for at least 4 hours or until completely solid. And speaking of cool things, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Naruto popsicles.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.